Hi, this is the High Power PoE injector. It can output 90 watt high power to supply your IP device such as IP camera, access point, VoIP phone. But sometimes it's not working as you expected. What could be wrong? In this video, we are going to go through 4 major issues you may experience when you're working with this High Power PoE injector. If the PoE injector can supply power but only limit to 30 watt, it cannot supply up to 90 watt. The first thing you need to check is whether your edge device can take in high power or not. The reason we can send the high power is because the new PoE standard taking all the twist pair. This PoE injector can output 90 watt. Is it too much or overkill? After all, maybe your IP device like the IP camera just need 40 watt. So it sounds like if you just continue using the 90 watt and you're wasting a lot of energy. Don't worry, it's not going to happen. For all the electronic devices, it just will take whatever it needs. For example, if your camera just needs 40 watt, even this PoE injector can output 90 watt, it just will set to the 40 watts. It will not send more than your device needs. So it's not going to waste the energy. So how to pick the cable to work with this high power PoE injector? Should we use the Cat5e, Cat6 or Cat7? Actually, it doesn't matter. What matters is what make of your cable. When you work with the high power PoE system, you should pick the cable which make of the pure copper, 100% copper. The reason is because when the power travels through this cable, there always power loss. When you pick the pure copper cable, it can reduce the power loss. Just remember, don't use the CCA, the low cost Cat5e or Cat6, because they will cause serious power loss during the transmission. And of course, if you need the higher bandwidth like the 1000 megabit per second, you should pick the Cat6 or Cat7. So is safety to use the PoE or high power PoE? The answer is positive. Yes, we need to connect this PoE injector to an AC power, but actually the power we send through the cable is DC. This PoE injector will convert the AC to the low voltage DC, which is safe to be traveled through the cable. The second thing is the power handshaking between the PoE injector and your edge device. Before this PoE injector send the power to edge device, it will send small currency to detect, also verify your edge device, like your IP camera also support PoE or high power PoE. If it didn't get the positive feedback, it will not send the power at all. So it will be safety to use the PoE or high power PoE.